All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got something extremely cool right over here with me today. I got the T-Max Ancient Iron, which comes with this pretty cool box, actually. Look at that. Nicely done. Let me see. Yeah, it's the right size side. It's a fantastic toy, guys. It comes with a certificate of authenticity, which is like a kind of like a dog tag. It's I don't know if it's yeah, it's titanium, so pretty cool. You get 58 only of these guys. So good luck getting one once they are sold out. T-Max is the brand. T-Max EDC comes with this little like card. You get a little T-Max titanium tool, I guess, but not really a tool. It's just like a tag. And then what else you get? Maybe you get your spinner, right? Look at this fella right over here. Guys, this is something truly impressive. It is, I would say, probably my favorite spinner. Yeah, I said it, yeah. I think the Pillbug is like a very serious contender for the best spinner ever, but this guy is just next level. So this is titanium, all right, and let's just go ahead with some measurement first. 55 millimeter in width and 28 in height. I also want to check the weight on this guy. It is all titanium, by the way. So there's, I don't know how many parts, but a lot. 4.85 ounces, which in a gram, it's 137. So it's not too heavy, but you're gonna feel it in the pocket because it's chunky, it's big, but it's not that heavy. It looks fantastic. This is like crazy. By the way, you can get this fella on Fablades.com because we have a couple left. And it's, yeah, now it's the time to get it if it's still available, because once it's gone, it's gone. And there's only 58 of these guys. So it's a super limited edition. And I mean, this is reminiscent a little bit of the Pillbug because you have one button right over here which rotates, right? Then you have the core, which also rotates, and then you have the external part which rotates. So you have 3 layers independently rotating on bearings that are underneath. On this side, I want to show you right away. If you remove the button, you see this thing, this kind of ratchety thing, has like balls in it which are causing this noise. If you want to get rid of that, just remove the balls and this is going to be a completely silent spinner. So, I mean, the look of this guy is just off the chart. It's just like incredibly beautiful, I think. It reminds me of Gundam opening flaps, like with these pistons right over here. It's so beautiful. Like he had like kind of like a skirt kind of thing on the side. It's just reminiscent of that to me. You have a lot of hardware for each flap. You get 2, 4, 6 screws, 4 magnets, 2 balls, 1 piston, and I don't know how many parts. So a lot of parts. Each flap has a 2 treat slots, one over here, one over here. So you get 12 treat slots to fill with this toy. When you spin this guy from this side, you're gonna get like this effect right over here. And if you hear, it's silent, it's quiet, and it's gonna spin for a long time, like a long time. So now I'm gonna rotate, I'm gonna angle it, and you're gonna hear the noise. So these are the little balls which are rattling on the inside, right? You put it back horizontally to the plane, your table, whatever, parallel, quiet. Also on the other side. Vertically rattles, kind of like the sound that the Black Mirror design bullet would do. Or sometimes people call it the egg. it's the same principle. Like you have rattling balls into this thing and you're just gonna make this sound. Also, you can just spin it like this way and the flaps for centrifugal force are just gonna open up and make this beautiful shape. So when this I'm just gonna slow it down and you see that automatically they close because of the gravity, and then there's like the magnets right over here. But if you spin it on from this side, so from the, let's say, upside down, you can just slow it down and it's just gonna remain open, which is pretty cool. So the pill bug usually just gets closed. This guy gets open and you just flip it and it gets closed. So it's a very, very cool one for the table. It's just gorgeous. Now you see, I think 20 frames per second. So that's actually not what you see with your naked eye. I'm gonna try to slow it down and maybe show you a little bit of, yeah, no, just, but I mean, the thing is that you can have it just spinning on the back, let's say, and when you just gonna let it go, it's just gonna slow down and stop, and it's gonna remain in the open position like so. So really, really a cool one. It's a very complex spinner, probably the most complex spinner around, and it's over 600 bucks. It's of course made in China by T-Max, and I believe this is kind of like the pill bug killer because it's much more complex, it's more fun, it's more articulated. It is a very different design. I mean, it's similar because of course of the independent rotating parts, but it's very different. I mean, this is more like cyborg kind of robotic kind of look, whereas the Pillbug is still a little bit like futuristic, but more harmonic and more rounded off. This is a little bit more edgy, but still, I think this is a fantastic one, and it's just become, it has become one of my favorite spinners ever, guys. I'm gonna make a video about my favorite spinners, and yeah, for sure this guy is gonna be featured in that, and I am just waiting now for a little another toy, another gorgeous spinner. I'm not gonna anticipate anything, but stay tuned, guys, because a new contender might be up. But for now, we got the Pillbug and this fella, which are just killing it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.